Hi everyone. I zoomed in the radio more than myself because that's what's important. Now, this is the radio. It's an X20 Pro. Just came out a few months ago. I've had mine for about 4 weeks. I've been using it, experimenting with it, and I'm totally blown away by it. So I'm just going to read you some of the information before we go into more details about this radio. I'm not sure that I'm going to have them in order, but I guess you don't really care. So first of all, this is not right, and it's not in order. This radio has a built-in 6-axis gyroscope sensor. It's got high-speed power wireless training system, which is Bluetooth. And as we continue, in order to save the trouble of deciding the storage capacity of this X20 Pro, it comes with a built-in 8 GB of flash memory that offers plenty of file storage to meet all of your radio storage needs. And also, if I look to this, which to me is very important, might not be as important for you, thanks to the upgrade storage feature, the TTS, text-to-speech function of the X20 Pro can quickly and conveniently convert type input English words into spoken speech. I've done this. It still needs a bit of a workaround because it doesn't recognize the text 100%, so sometimes when you have one N in the word, you might have to put 2 to stretch it anyway. So it's very, very good system. Needs a bit of fixing the system. Now, I'm going here to the comprehensive functional inputs in solid quality parts, metal parts. The X20 Pro optimizes and integrates the functional input of the Tandem series models. Building on the foundation of the X20, X20S, it adds 2 extra trims, which you can see right here. This one and this one, I don't know if you can see it, allowing for more precise tunings during operation. The levers on both sides, these here, if you can see these levers here, you know I'm reading this, right? So customizing positioning of the center, catering to different user habits and preferences. Additionally, at the index finger position on the left and right sides of the handle, when I mentioned the slider, I meant this one here, but it has that on the other radios. Additionally, at the index fingers, the left and right side of the handle, top of the X20 Pro, one self-locking button is set on each side, which is this and this. It also has, I'm not reading this, but it also has these rear buttons that were there on the X20. These are new, it's been added. The main body of the X20 Pro is constructed with all CNC machine material, which is aluminum, of course, and the center panel incorporates genuine carbon fiber material. Now, let's have a look at the as normal, the primary input components, including trim caps, slider levers, and knobs, are all made from metal, offering rugged in quality, enhanced durability for outdoor use. Going on to the next page, the TD ISRM Pro RF Performance. This is a continuing of the X20 series, which is a very solid RF performance. Here you will see that although it does have the Tandem Pro transmission, which is 2.4 and 900, it also has the ability to transmit in the TW RF protocol, which is 2.4 gigahertz from the original FreeSky, and the second one is long range. The RF signal connection method allows the simultaneous use of 3 different R-links in RC application. This further enhances the RF signal's reliability, particularly in scenarios involving long distance RC operation. So if you like long range, I think you have to look at this radio very, very, very carefully. So this should have been the first page, but anyway. The features: built-in TD-SRM Pro dual band internal RF module, 900 2.4 dual band TD modes, dual 2.4 TW mode, and access 0.24G and access R9 modes, and 2.4G access or ICCST D16 mode. These are all different protocols, all available in this radio. It's just amazing. So it has super low latency, long range control with telemetry up to 50, and with the proper conditions up to 100 kilometers range, down to 4 milliseconds end-to-end latency. The touchscreen is of high brightness for the outdoors, and it's a touchscreen as well. Okay, now I'm reading about this. The all CNC high precision Hall sensor MC20 gimbals with 10 ball bearings. Now, I have this, and I don't know if I can ever go back without it, but that's a personal opinion. And you can adjust the side to side for your convenience from 45 to 60 degrees travel, stick travel. Additional travel tool is required. The rotational is 8, which I just showed you, 8 degrees rotatable, with the built-in 8 gigabytes flash storage, text-to-speech, digital audio amplifier. Specifications. Well, I've read most of these, but the number of channels is up to 24. Of course, you only have 16 channels in the 900, but that's because of the situation. Operating range, so far so good. Okay. And yeah, the battery is a lithium-ion 2S with a C-type interface. The built-in text, I think I've already talked about that, so we'll bypass this. Okay, I've read everything, well, just about everything. And now I can just show you these sticks here, as you can see. These are self-made. I made these because they're a little longer and I'm a tray flyer, so for me it's a bit easier. But they come with very nice sticks, the standard sticks that you would see on the X20. All of this is the same. The switches are high quality. They all have the rubber inputs pre-installed. And also, when you go in the back, it does have the cavity for external modules should they be required or available. On this here you have the same as the X20, all the peripherals that you need to connect to it. Also on these here 2 sides is for external antennas. All internal antennas are within the radio, of course, internal, yeah. And the 900 is in the handle here. Don't worry about these white things. I put those on so that it's anti-slip for my tray system. I'm just going to put it on for a second.
Welcome to EVOS. Command rule. Throttle off.
So,
Camera movement. Throttle not idle. Fail set. Switch warning. Stabilize. Angle. Stabilize. Manual. Stabilize. Angle.
Now, these here, I don't know if you can hear it over there, but
Stabilize. Manual.
give it a chance. Manual, it doesn't relate to that. It relates to this switch for me, but it could be anywhere. And then here,
Stabilize.
stabilize, it says,
Angle.
and angle. Now, these were text to speech that I've done. All within the radio. You don't need outside anything to make it work properly. It's a great feature. I can't say enough about it. So basically, that's about it for the radio. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, because I'm not a good explainer. I might not have given you all the information that you need, but I'll do my best to give it. If you just write to me, I'll share everything I know, and I'll find what I don't know. So that's it for now. So I'm going to get up and go shut the transmitter, first of all here, and stop the camera.